So here's how you can change the Facebook layout on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how you can do it. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing for the next tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the most important part is to have the Facebook app installed, and it would make sense to get the latest version. So if you are not on the latest one, go to the App Store, look up Facebook, and click on the update button just to get the latest version of the app. But then once you are inside of the app, just get to the bottom right, which is the menu, and from there you'll be able to click on the gear icon for the settings. And inside of the settings, so many things you can customize, obviously, but there is also the tab bar, which I wanted to show you. So the tab bar are basically the icons below, right? So you can see we have some layout, like we have the, for example, Reels or Friends at the bottom, whatever, but you can also customize the toolbar or bar at the bottom, right? So you can decide that there is going to be one menu which you pin it there. You can decide that it's going to be Reels, for example, and perhaps you'll let other ones to be chosen automatically. But if not, you can add all of them and pin only the ones which you actually want to use. So you perhaps would choose the Reels and also Friends or Marketplace or whatever, right? And this is how you can make sure that those things and those buttons which you use the most are always going to be there waiting for you to be, accessed. So that is how you can do this. This is the layout which you can change. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.